It's listing day for PayPal. After being spun off from eBay, PayPal is now its own public company. The digital payments business is growing fast and PayPal is at the forefront. We're joined by Bill Reddy, the global head of PayPal's merchant business. Thanks, Bill.
Good morning, Katie.
So eBay acquired PayPal in 2002 and today PayPal's the bigger company. Why are you splitting?
Well, really the rationale, certainly eBay and PayPal growing up together was a great thing, and each business helped each other as we grew. But we're now at a place where we think each business has an opportunity to really focus on what they do well to continue their growth, and we see that playing out. That eBay has a great opportunity and really thinking about how they go after the marketplace opportunity, and PayPal has a fantastic opportunity thinking about the broader digitization of payments, both online, in-app, and in store, and so each business has fantastic opportunities as they think about how they focus on what they do best.
And one of the reasons you're splitting is that PayPal is considered a high growth business. What are the biggest growth opportunities for PayPal right now?
Well, the biggest growth opportunity for us is really this continued move to digital payments. That you think about the world of e-commerce being not quite even 10% of the world's transactions yet. So as that continues to digitize and PayPal as a leader in that space, just a huge opportunity for us as that continues to grow. And you see that in the results that we've put up recently where we're even on a very large denominator continuing to accelerate the business, having done $66 billion in volume, in payment volume last quarter, which was a 28% growth, accelerating from Q1 even.
And it's a competitive landscape out there. There's Stripe, Square, Apple Pay. Facebook even introduced payments in its Messenger. I know you partner with some of these companies, but how are you going to continue to out-innovate everyone?
Well, as I mentioned, we're growing tremendously, taking share in the market quite significantly. Our growth rates are more than double the e-commerce industry, so we're taking share on the mobile side of this, which is really a key strength for us. We had 30% of our transactions last quarter were on mobile, which is significantly over-indexes the industry. So we're doing quite well on that front, and we feel very confident in how we're positioned relative to the competition and how we're taking share in the marketplace.
Yeah, the future is definitely mobile, but one thing people are increasingly concerned about is cybersecurity. How can you ensure people that their money is safe with PayPal?
Well, this is really part of PayPal's DNA from day one, that PayPal from day one has been a way to not only easily transact online, but also safely transact. And this is one of the things that we think is really helping the digital wallet move from being a nice to have to a must have, that as people think about mobile and lower friction buying experiences and safety and security, where you've had almost every consumer in the United States has had a card reissued over the course of the last year because of security issues and things like that. PayPal's core proposition is that we give you an easier and safer way to transact, making sure that you never share those payment credentials with the people you're transacting with. And so we think that's a great macro tailwind for us, that we really help secure people in a world where threats are ever increasing.
And you recently acquired Xoom Transfer Payments. Do you expect to be making more acquisitions?
Well, we're certainly very focused on owning the emerging opportunity in the digital payments world, and we're very excited about Xoom. The remittances space we think is an interesting part of how we help transform the way people manage and move their money, the great thing is that as big a business as PayPal is, as I mentioned before, we're at 1% of our potential. There's so much more to go, and so certainly we have a great organic story in how we're building the business internally. But if there are acquisition opportunities, things like that, we're certainly being thoughtful about all the ways we might grow the business, given that we're early on in our potential here.
Could PayPal be acquired? Would you sell to Alibaba?
The great thing about what we've done with the split is standing at PayPal as an independent business. So we're very focused on how we go build a great independent business, and we think, as we're showing, PayPal has great potential as a standalone independent business. So that's where we're focused, building great things for our customers as both consumers and merchants think about a digital world. So that's certainly where our focus is.
All right, well, thank you, Bill. That's Bill Reddy from PayPal. From the NASDAQ, this is Katie Roof for FoxBusiness.com.